complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome Nexo. This is a listening class to hear what we learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to listen and practice.
First, vocabulary, shops and services. Second, grammar, prepositions of time.
Good. I want to hear these words in real situations.
Exactly. Listen for useful phrases, simple time expressions, and natural answers. Now, let us start the main dialogues. At the pharmacy. Good morning. Is this pharmacy open now?
Yes, we are open from 8 to 8.
Great. I need medicine for a headache.
Do you want tablets or syrup?
Tablets, please. Can I take them after lunch?
Yes. Take 1 tablet after lunch and 1 at night.
Thank you. How much is it?
It is $6. Please pay at the counter.
Sending a package. Good afternoon. I want to send this small box.
Sure, this is the post office. Where is it going?
To Boston, please. Will it arrive on Monday?
Yes. If you send it before 4 o'clock today.
Good. How much is the stamp?
It is $3, and the box is $2.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. The post office closes at 5.
Help at the bank. Hello. I need help with my card.
Of course. Welcome to the bank. What is the problem?
It does not work at the ATM.
I can check it. Do you have time at 3?
Yes, I am free in the afternoon.
Great. Please come back after lunch with your ID.
Can I use my phone before the meeting?
Yes, you can use your phone before the meeting.
Buying bread. Good morning. This bakery smells wonderful.
Thank you. We make bread in the morning.
I would like 2 rolls and 1 cake, please.
Of course. The cake is fresh today.
Is the bread ready before noon?
Yes, it is ready at 11.
Great. I will come back after work.
Perfect. We are open from 7 to 6.
Haircut appointment. Hi. Do you have a free time today?
Welcome to the hair salon. We have 1 time at 4.
At 4 is good. I want a simple haircut.
Great. Please arrive 10 minutes before your time.
Okay. How long does it take?
About 30 minutes. You can pay after the haircut.
Can I come on Saturday next time?
Yes, we open on Saturday in the morning.
At the bookstore. Excuse me, is this bookstore open on Sunday?
Yes, but only from 10 to 4.
Great. I need an English book for beginners.
We have this one. It is good for A1 students.
Can I read a page before I buy it?
Yes, you can sit near the window.
Thank you. Is there a small cafe in the bookstore?
No, but there is a bakery next door.
Great job today, Nexo. Real dialogues help us understand English in daily life.
Yes, I heard words for places and times in a natural way.
That is the goal. Listen, notice, and use the language little by little.
Thanks. Emma, I feel more confident now.
You are welcome, Nexo. Goodbye, Nexo. And goodbye to everyone watching.